This powerful antioxidant has recently been proven able to prevent renal insufficiency in patients in stage 4 of CKD. Gathering here, what I have for you today is one of the natural remedies that is offering one of the biggest breakthroughs in the treatment of kidney disease. This is a powerful antioxidant and, in my opinion, one of the best kidney healing nutrients available. It can effectively help reducing inflammation in the body, which causes kidney damage, and it helps with weight loss. And recent studies are showing that this remedy may be the best treatment available for diabetic kidney disease. A very recent study found out that this remedy can significantly reduce the level of oxidative stress, reduce the level of urinary albumin excretion, and alleviate renal function damage in patients with diabetic kidney disease. All these levels are extremely important markers of kidney function, and the results you see here are quite amazing. In a different study, patients with early-stage diabetic kidney disease had a drop in urinary albumin excretion rate after taking this remedy for just 14 days. This means a significant improvement in kidney health, since urinary albumin excretion rate is one of the main markers of kidney function. The incredible remedy I'm talking about is alpha-lipoic acid. What is alpha-lipoic acid? Alpha-lipoic acid is an organic compound that acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body. And in my opinion, it's one of the best kidney healing nutrients available. This nutrient can be found in many foods. More about this later. And can also be supplemented. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA in short, is similar to a vitamin, but it's not a vitamin since the body naturally makes a small amount of it inside the mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside every cell in your body. The body uses it to help key enzymes turn nutrients into energy. It is interesting for us because it plays a critical role protecting your cells, especially those in your kidneys, from oxidative damage. According to research, supplementing alpha-lipoic acid helps increase cellular kidney energy for healing, assists detoxification from heavy metals, can be used in the treatment of cardiovascular disease, and much more. And as we have seen, it may be the key to reversing diabetic kidney disease. It's important to know, however, that these studies were focused on the administration of both ALA and valsartan. Valsartan is a very commonly used angiotensin II receptor blocker, so if you are taking an ARB for your blood pressure, these findings should apply to you too. If you aren't and you have high blood pressure, consider talking with your doctor about switching your prescription to an ARB. Modern guidelines recommend ARBs as first-line medications for high blood pressure in CKD because these medications will actively protect your kidneys from proteinuria. So let's see what happens to your kidneys when you start supplementing alpha-lipoic acid. First of all, your inflammation will be reduced. Chronic inflammation is linked to several diseases including cancer and diabetes, and it's also caused by kidney disease itself. Supplementing ALA has been shown to significantly lower levels of the inflammatory marker C-reactive protein, or CRP in short. And this will be amazing not just for your kidney health, but for your heart health too. The second effect you will see is a steady drop in blood glucose levels. In some studies, it has lowered blood sugar levels by up to 64%, and there are also studies showing that it can reduce insulin resistance and HbA1c levels. Scientists believe that ALA helps lower blood sugar by promoting processes that can remove fat that has accumulated in muscle cells, which otherwise makes insulin less effective. This means this remedy will attack diabetes at its root. A very noticeable effect of ALA. It will make you less hungry and it may even help you lose weight. A large review of placebo-controlled studies found out that this supplement makes people lose on average 2.8 pounds or 1.27 kilos more than a placebo over 23 weeks. It's a significant amount when we consider that ALA is supposed to help removing visceral fat especially, which is the type of fat that actually causes diabetes. Another very noticeable effect. Alpha-lipoic acid may lower the risk of diabetes complications. It's proven to ease symptoms of nerve damage and lower the risk of diabetic retinopathy, eye damage, that can occur with uncontrolled diabetes. And as I was saying, this natural remedy is also going to help a lot with kidney health. So let's see now what foods are the best sources for this nutrient. Alpha-lipoic acid is found naturally in several foods, but unfortunately not many of them are good options for a renal diet. The best sources for this nutrient are actually red meats and organ meats that I always recommend avoiding. Protein is not good for the kidneys of someone with kidney disease. Tomatoes and potatoes are also good sources, but they're too rich in potassium. And this leaves us with broccoli, spinach, and Brussels sprouts, carrots, and beets. These last foods are all extremely healthy, but still a bit too rich in potassium for patients in the advanced stages of CKD. And it's also worth noticing that to get the benefits mentioned earlier, there is the need of a way higher daily dose of ALA than what you can get from foods. This is why studies usually test ALA supplements. Time to see what dosages are best to get the amazing benefits this nutrient can offer. Safety first. In rare cases, people may experience mild symptoms like nausea, rashes, or itching. However, research shows that adults can take up to 2.400 milligrams without harmful side effects. It's not recommended to take more than this dose though. More about the right dose in a moment. It is always recommended to monitor blood glucose levels and blood pressure and to consult a doctor when taking any remedy that, like alpha-lipoic acid, can lower blood pressure and blood glucose levels. Alpha-lipoic acid is generally considered safe with little to no side effects. Though there is no set dosage, most evidence suggests that 300 to 600 milligrams is sufficient and safe. The most common dosage administered to kidney disease patients is 600 milligrams once a day. But those with diabetes, and especially those wanting to use it to fight diabetes complications, may want to take more of it. As I was saying, the upper safe limit is 2.400 milligrams per day, but don't take that dose without consulting a doctor. ALA supplements are best taken on an empty stomach at least 2 hours before a meal, as certain foods can lower the remedy's bioavailability. Alpha-lipoic acid is an organic compound with antioxidant properties so powerful it can actually help reverse diabetic kidney disease. But there is one thing that's even more powerful as an antioxidant. This is actually the most powerful antioxidant in the world and can have a tremendous healing effect on the kidneys. If you want to know more, watch my video up here. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.